Did you know you can make up to $100 just for answering questions? For instance, this particular one here pays you $20 to answer history questions, $100 for business, $9 for computer science, $50 for English language, $9 for computer science, $50 for data science, even biology questions, engineering, computer programming, psychology, physics, geography, English. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. If today is your first time, don't forget that we talk about how to make money here. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, share, and leave your notification on so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first to see the video. So let's dive in. So this one is really interesting, guys, because a lot of people have earned from this website. You're going to solve school questions. You're going to complete simple tasks for them by answering questions from, the questions that the students are putting out here, and then you get paid. I've also made got a couple of research about this website. This website is rated 116 reviews on Trustpilot. That is to show you how good and trusted this website is. They partner with companies like TechCrunch, T&W, Forbes, Mashable, Product Hunt. In fact, it says it's the #1 site in the world for online tutoring since 2014. So if you know how to tutor, if you have knowledge about these subjects that I've mentioned, or any subject at all, just go straight now and sign up. So you can see the latest answered questions. You can see all the questions that have been answered on chemistry, healthcare, engineering, computer science, physics, business, and so on. These are the top earners of this particular website. $31,000, $22,000, $16,000, $11,000. These are the top earners, guys. You can also see the reviews here. Stop wasting time trying to find help on other homework sites or even check. Schoolsolver is where it's at. How it works is that students come to this website to ask questions. They tend to look for help from this website, and people like you and I that know what we're doing will come and respond to them, answer the question, solve their problem, and we get paid. Okay, so students come here to sign up, and we also sign up to help them out. So if you're interested, you're going to go sign up right away and start making money. So you're going to have to click on register, and it takes you to this page where you're going to enter your username, your email address, your password. You solve the captcha and user type. Are you a student or a tutor? Then you put your referral code if you have. If you have a referral code, type it in here. If not, leave it blank and then finish registration. But if you're already registered, just click on login. So I just do the sign up and then we'll continue from there. So once you finish signing up, your account is now ready. You see this sign, it says your account is ready. Then you can begin. So these are the questions that have been asked recently, this is a question that is on now. Let me show you. Answer question. You just click on answer question. You see the questions that need answers urgently, and they were just posted today. That is the reason I'm making this video. Actually, these questions were posted today, and the due date is tomorrow. Some of them due date is today, and some is on the 1st of February. So you have to come and the one that you're comfortable with. And this particular one pays you up to $500, and it's a biology question. So if you're capable of answering it, you just click on it and it opens. You can see, you say, those are some helpful ideas. Have you already tried any of these approaches, or is there a specific topic you're finding challenging and need advice on? How it works is that once you open it and you read the question and you want to answer it, you're going to add your answer here. Click on add answer. Then it says to answer this question, you must pass the following quizzes. Schoolsolver rules basic English quizzes are accessible on your account page. So before you answer the question, you have to complete this other about you page. You're going to put your name again, you put your profile picture and who you are. You're going to describe yourself in a few words, and you're going to then, let me show you, then you have to take these quizzes: chemistry 1, mathematics, biology. You have to take these quizzes, and you're also going to choose your time zone, your subscribe category. So you're going to select your area of specialty, the subjects that you want to focus on, and how many times you want to get notification. I suggest you choose instant. So you're going to select a tutor, not a student. But if you're a student, you can also choose student. and then they pay via PayPal, Bitcoin. So if you have PayPal account, just put it. If you don't, you can use Bitcoin. So for those of you in Nigeria who find it difficult to, withdraw your money via PayPal method, you can use Bitcoin wallet to withdraw your money. And also you can share your link with your referrals and receive 5% every time your friends buy an answer. So don't forget to share your referral link if you sign up. So the withdrawal method, like I said, is via PayPal or Bitcoin. Then once you fill up this, you're good to go. You can then begin to answer questions. They also have micro tasks, by the way. These are the micro tasks available: 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents, and so on. It goes on and on and on. So just open it, go to website, accept to view link, play the game as best as you can, answer the questions below, only enter the first answer that is shown in green exactly as it's shown on the website, otherwise your response will be rejected. So you can also go complete a little micro task that will earn you 2 cents for completing them. Okay, so each time you complete, you earn 2 cents. Just click on accept this task and it takes you to that page. So you have to click on this earn extra money. It brings up the available micro task that you can complete to earn more money. But if you want to answer questions, click on answer questions here on the top page here, and then it opens. As long as you have finished your quizzes, you should be able to start answering questions and start getting paid. So the interface is very easy to use. Just come up, I'll leave the link to the direct website because there are so many fake websites, duplicate websites out there that I've seen, but I'll leave the direct link to this website here so that you can click on it and it brings you to this page so that you sign up. Once you sign up, and then take your time to answer the quizzes to qualify before you start making money. But I assure you that you will start making money once you're done completing your profile. Like I said, you can see good reviews, 3.3 stars reviews so far on Trustpilot, which means they are verified. He said, I'm a professional. I answered all the questions, hard or easy, and I am 36 years old. I am very happy to work in Schoolsolver and to help people in need. So a lot of people from different locations are cashing in and making a lot of money. Even on X, you can see the reviews. Thanks to you, I was able to get a review guide done for my math final. You can see their reviews on X, which means it is trusted, okay, by millions. So I hope you guys go and sign up. I just thought to share it with you guys. As soon as I found it, I said let me share it to my subscribers. So watch it, sign up, and see if you pass the quizzes and start earning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like, I hope you comment. Let me know if you're going to try it. If you try it, let me know if it works for you in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.